Hello guys, today I will show you how to make live wallpaper using magic fluids on DOOGEE T40 Pro. Let's go. Okay guys, so all you need to do, you go to Play Store, then you click here on search bar, then look for magic fluids. Why I use magic fluids is simple because they are free, so it's better to not pay for something you can have for free. Yes, I use light. Okay, and we will see you after it installs. Okay, as you can see it installed. Let's click open. Consent. Let's turn off the music. Okay, here we click on these three lines, and then what I forgot to tell you, that's how it works. You see I can move around freely. It's like a fluid and very nice to the eye. As you can see, it changes colors. You can make something like a flashbang like in Counter-Strike. But if you want to save it, you press these three lines here and set as live wallpaper. Use app settings, yes. Set wallpaper, home screen and lock screen. In my case, try it. Set wallpaper. As you can see, it works. Let's go on into lock screen. It works also, but is other than home screen. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.